Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Notepad++ on Windows 10, 32-bit and 64-bit. And after installing Notepad++, I will also show you how to install plugins in Notepad++. So let's get started. So simply go ahead and launch your preferred browser. So let's say I have to use a different browser, so I'll go ahead and launch Firefox. You can use any browser of your choice, okay? And then I'm simply going to Notepad. So go to this website, notepad-plus.org, and you'll be landing on this official Notepad++ page. That's the website basically. You can also use your preferred search engine and look for Notepad++ download. And remember to check the website address and go ahead and click on this download link here. And you will see the most latest release on the very top. So if you're on this page, go ahead and click on this download and then click the topmost download link. At the moment it's going to be 7.9.3, and then you will see you've got 32-bit download button here, and then you also have 64-bit download. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to check my operating system. So system type, so I'll go ahead and press the Windows key, pause break button on the keyboard, and you'll see it opens my device specification, and I have my 64-bit operating system. You can also go ahead and check it from here. So go to system and you'll see the same option. So mine is 64-bit. You can see somewhere here system type. So I can go ahead and download 64-bit Notepad++ on my system. So go ahead and click here, or you can click here if it's 32-bit. So I'm going to use the installer, which is self-installation package, and this has been downloaded. So depending on the browser that you're using, you will have to locate the package. I'm going to click on this box here, and it's in the downloads folder. So by default, if you haven't made any configurational changes on your browser, it's going to be under downloads. So you can simply press here and go to downloads and then double click on this. Now you will get a user account control window. Simply say yes, and this will start the installation process. You can see I'll go ahead and minimize everything. So you can see you have to select your language and then hit OK. And then say next to start the installation. And then you'll have to agree to the license and terms. Go ahead and hit next and next. And these are the things that are going to be installed for your system. For your Notepad++ on your system. So it's going to include plugins admin, which lets you install plugins. So make sure you do not uncheck anything here, and then hit next. Also have themes, which is awesome. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, go ahead and check this box and hit install. And it's a very lightweight package, which is basically coded in C, C++, and to make it cross-platform, now they are going to use Python. Now I can go ahead and hit finish. So here you have Notepad++, which is very lightweight text editor. You can customize it to your requirement. Now let's have a look at the plugins. So go to plugins and then launch your plugins admin. This lets you install the plugins. You can look up for the plugins that, let's say I want to check the Python plugin. So I have few Python plugins here. I can go ahead and let's say I want to use Python indent. So I'll simply type Python, check this box and say install. Okay, needs to be restarted after. So it's going to ask for your permission and hits yes, and this is going to download the Python indentation plugin and launch Notepad++. So let me quickly go ahead and create a file here, and I'm simply going to say print, let's say I want to say def breed, because it's not saved. So let me first save it so that we can test the indentation plugin here. hello.py. So you can see the Python file has been created. Now the indentation plugin is working. You see that. So I can say print so indentation is working, you can see. Now I can go ahead and run it. So to run it, I can simply launch my CMD, go to desktop, and then Python. I already have installed Python, okay? And you can see it's working. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any suggestion, question, leave in the comment below. And this is how you install Notepad++ and use plugin admin in Notepad++ on your operating system, Microsoft operating system. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.